Changepoint. The Project Planning Worksheet. Introduction. The Project Planning Worksheet, or PPW, is a high-performing, easy-to-use interface that will increase user satisfaction and adoption of project management in Changepoint. Increased user adoption will lead to higher quality information being available for better reporting, resource management and the ability to react to anomalies quickly. This interface is 100% web-based with no downloads of any kind, available in all our supported browsers as well as on a tablet, and is keyboard-friendly, which allows users more options to enter data using their method and device of choice. You can launch a project in the Project Planning Worksheet by accessing it from the Recent menu. Click the Edit in the Project Planning Worksheet icon. The worksheet launches in locked mode, so it's ready to be updated right away. Other users can be granted edit access to all or a portion of the project plan. You can see that both draft and active tasks are available for edit in the PPW. Project managers can activate draft tasks when they're ready for those tasks to be visible to their project team. For example, you may be finalizing the next phase of a project, but aren't ready for your team to have access to those tasks yet. Next, we will look at the Manage Views dialog. In the Project Planning Worksheet, I can create any number of views to tailor the information to suit my needs. Administrators can set up views that are available to all users, which can be used as is, or as a starting point for their own personalized views. You can also create filters to zero in on the information that's important to you, such as tasks that are going to be late or those that are over budget. The worksheet will automatically calculate the finish date when the duration is entered. Or if you prefer, enter the finish date and the duration will be calculated. We will scroll to the right to view more of the columns. Next, on the Tasks view, select the value 1 required in the Smear Review Required field for any non-draft row. The Subject Matter Expert field turns red, indicating it is now mandatory based on the value in the field I just selected. The concept of conditional properties and values on task fields is important to our customers, and we are unique in that we offer that level of sophistication in a project plan. The worksheet allows you to select from a drop-down list, or you can modify the information for each assignment if you need more granularity. You'll be warned if you've got different information for assignments, so you can choose what to do with it. If I want to be more granular, I can use the Assign Resources dialog. Here I can modify the plan hours for individuals. The Assign Resources dialog can also be used to quickly and easily assign resources to tasks in the initial plan, which can come from a project template, or to assign another resource to several tasks at once. You have options to keep the total planned effort the same, or to input a planned effort amount for each resource. You can assign to individual resources or to predefined groups of resources. Next, we will view the project in the Gantt chart. The interactive Gantt can be used to move, stretch, shrink and link tasks. All 4 dependency types are supported, and you can specify the dependency type you use most often as your default. Next, we will switch to the Task Assignments view. I can be very granular at the task assignment level. I have the flexibility to change the planned start, planned finish and effort for each resource as well as any configurable field information. I can also set a manual contour for effort. In response to customer requests, we now have the ability to schedule work on a non-working day. In this case, this resource is going to work on a weekend. Want to learn more? Contact your Changepoint representative.